Today I am going to take the topic regarding polynomials, exercise 2.2, class 10 CBSE. So here the question is, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Here the question is x square minus 2x minus 8. So we need to verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficients. So before that, let us understand some basic concepts regarding the quadratic polynomial. So what is quadratic polynomial? General structure of the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is the coefficient of x square, okay, b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant value. So if alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic equation, then there is a relationship exists between the coefficients and the zeros. What is the relationship? Alpha plus beta is equivalent to minus b by a, and alpha beta is equivalent to c by a. Move on to the question. Here the question is x square minus 2x minus 8. So step 1, you have to find out the alpha and beta values. So how to find the alpha and beta values? You have to use the splitting method. So here the question is x square minus 2x minus 8. So this minus 2x can return like this. Minus 4x plus 2x is equivalent to minus 2x. Actually, there is a condition for splitting. If you add two numbers, you got minus 2. Okay, so minus 4 plus 2 is equivalent to minus 2. While if you multiply that two numbers, we need to get minus 8. Minus 4 into 2 is equivalent to minus 8. So the condition is satisfied. So the middle term x square minus 2x can split like this. Minus 4x plus 2x. Minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. Then take these two terms. So what is the highest common factor of these two terms? X is the highest common factor. So what is the remaining term? X. X into x is x square minus 4 plus, I take these two terms. What is the highest common factor of these two terms? 2 is the common factor. So the remaining term is x. X minus 4. Because minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. So this is one term and this is another term. What is the common factor of these two terms? X minus 4 is the common factor of these two terms. So I take x minus 4 outside. Then what is the remaining term here? X plus 2. Okay, so it can return like this: x minus 4 into x plus 2. Okay, x minus 4 is equal to 0, then x equal to 0 plus 4 equal to 4. If x plus 2 is equivalent to 2, then x equal to 0 minus 2, which is equivalent to minus 2. Okay, so alpha is equivalent to 4 and beta is equivalent to minus 2. We need to check the relationship between the zeroth values and the coefficients. For that, you can check this condition. Okay, what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is equivalent to 4 plus minus 2 which is equivalent to 2. Next, we need to find out the value of minus b by a. So, alpha plus beta is equivalent to 2. Okay, static equation is x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0, which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equivalent to 0. What is a here? A is 1. What is b here? B is minus 2. Okay. What is C here? C is minus 8. Okay. So, we need to find out the value of minus b by a. Minus of what is b here? Minus 2 by a is 1. Minus of minus is plus 2. Alpha plus beta is equivalent to minus b by a is equivalent to 2. So, this condition is satisfied. So, now let's check this condition also. That you need to find out alpha beta. So, what is alpha beta? Alpha is 4 into beta is minus 2. So, alpha beta is equivalent to minus 8. Next, we need to check the condition C by A. C by A. What is C here? C is minus 8 by what is A here? 1. So, minus 8 by 1 is minus 8. Since alpha beta is equivalent to C by A is equivalent to minus 8. So, the condition is satisfied. To the next question. Question is 4x square minus 4x plus 1. Check the condition as alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and alpha beta equal to c by a. First, you need to use the middle term splitting method. So, what is the middle term here? This is the middle term, minus 4x. So, minus 4x can written like this. Minus 2x plus minus 2x is equivalent to minus 4x. Minus 2 into minus 2 is equivalent to plus 1. That means when you add two numbers, you got minus 4. While if you add that two numbers, you got plus 1. Okay. So, 4x square minus this minus 4x can be written like this. Minus 2x plus minus 2x plus 1. Okay. Next, you have to apply the grouping method. So, you group first two terms and I group the remaining terms. What is the common factor of these two terms? 2x. 2x into the remaining term is 2x. 2x into 2x is equivalent to 4x square minus 1. So, 2x into minus 1 is minus 2x plus what is the common factor of these two terms? I take minus 1 outside. So, the remaining term is 2x minus 1. 2x into minus 1 is minus 2x. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Okay. So, this is one term. This is another term. In these two terms, what is the common factor? 2x minus 1 is common in both terms. So, I take 2x minus 1 outside. So, 2x minus 1 into the remaining term here 2x. What is the remaining term here? Minus 1. So, 2x minus 1 into 2x minus 1. So, we can write like this 2x minus 1 into 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 is equivalent to 0. Then 2x equal to 0 plus 1. X equal to 1 by 2. So, 1 got. So, alpha is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. I just take this term. If again 2x minus 1 equal to 0, then 2x equal to 0 plus 1. S equal to 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 by 2. So, beta is also equivalent to 1 by 2. Value of alpha is 1 by 2 and beta is equivalent to 1 by 2. Alpha and beta are the zeroth values. To find the relationship between the zeroth values and coefficients. So for that we need to verify this relationship. So first, what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Here the denominators are same. So just write denominator here. What is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So alpha beta is equivalent to 1 plus b by a. So minus b by a. Okay. So what is a here? A is 4 and b is minus 4 and c is 1. Okay. So what is minus b by a? Minus b by a is equivalent to minus of b is minus 4 by a is 4. Okay. Minus of minus 4 is plus 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is equivalent to 1. Alpha plus beta is equivalent to minus b by a is equivalent to 1. So first condition is satisfied. So let's verify the second condition. So we need to find the value of alpha beta. So what is alpha beta? Alpha beta means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2? 1 cross 1 is 1 by 2 cross 2 is 4. So alpha beta is equivalent to 1 by 4. The condition is C by A. C by A is equivalent to, what is C here? C is 1 by, what is A here? A is 4. So C by A is equivalent to 1 by 4. So alpha beta is equivalent to C by A is equivalent to 1 by 4. So this condition is also satisfied. This condition is also satisfied. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a equal to 1. Alpha beta is equal to c by a equal to 1 by 4. So the condition is satisfied. Understand? It is very important question. Okay.